Welcome back to the second session. In this, we'll see that how we can download. We have already covered the introduction. So now let's move ahead and see how we can download the trial version of MS Project. For that, you can do the same process. Go to the any web browser, any search engine, search for the MS Project, or you can directly hit this MS Project www.microsoft.com/project. From the project side, you can see that we have discussed these things in the earlier session. So we have also discussed that we are going to use the MS Project Plan 3. So let me go ahead and click on the buy now. If you see that it say the try free for 1 month. So we'll use that feature try free for 1 month. Here it's a little bit interesting, a little bit it requires a little bit effort, not very much, but yep, it may require 5 to 6 minutes for you to download the MS Project. So first of all you need to create a account for you. So you can put any email ID. So I'm going to create one my personal email ID. And see if account is already available. Here if you see that this is my one of the live ID. So it's saying that look like you need to create a new account. Let's get started. So my account is verified and you see that it automatically given me one of the link which say the username is Bhargav Pandey and at the rate domain name is called bhargavpandey.com92.onmicrosoft.com. Click here on the save, or if you want you can make some edit over here. Maybe that you can try something like try to delete this one, see if it is available. No, this is not available. So what if I remove this one? No, let's say put the 1709, that is today's date. Yes, it's working. So for safety purpose, what you can do, you can go ahead and snip this and save it somewhere. Although at the last it will give you option to download. So let me, but be on the safe side. Let me save this one and let me save it somewhere on the desktop, maybe MS Project. Set some project name, password. So this is one of the mandatory step. If you don't have the MS Project account, so Microsoft will ask you to create. It take a little while to create the other things. Once it is created, yep. So let me save it for me. Let one. So here it will ask you to enter other details and you need to give those details. It will put 1 rupees transaction against your account and then you would be able to download. I have already completed all these activities, so I'm canceling here and let's go to the directly to the download screen. Thank you. Let's meet in a while.